During the year of Tabuk, they went out with the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, prayed Dhuhr and Asr together. Then he said, "Tomorrow we will meet, insha'Allah, at the spring of Tabuk. Do not go there until well into the morning. You should not touch the water until I arrive." We all agreed, and the day after, we all gathered at the spring of Tabuk. But when we got there, 2 men had already reached it before us, and the spring was dripping with very little water. The Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam approached and asked them, "Did you touch this water?" They said, "Yes, we did." "Take water with your hands from the spring little by little until you have collected a small amount in something." When this was done, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam washed his face and hands on it. Then he put it back into the spring, and the spring began to flow with abundant water, and the people began to draw water from it. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "If you live long enough, you will see this place full with gardens."